Hi friends, this video shows how to install app APK from unknown sources. So first go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option, developer options. This is the first step. We need to enable developer options. Then let me go to this apps tab. Then go to this search field. Here we can search for apps and games. So here we need to search and install this browser app. So we can use this browser app to download APK, app APK. So I already installed this browser app. Then we need to install one more app, this file manager app. So we can use this file manager app to install APK file. So we can also directly install from browser, but better use a file manager app. Okay, so I already installed these two apps from Google Play Store. Let me go to this browser app. In this browser app, go to apkpure.net. In this website, search for Firefox for Android TV. Then download this APK file. I already downloaded this APK file. From this same website, apkpure.net, we can also download this app, Sideload Launcher. I already downloaded APK of this app as well. And we can use this app to see the icon of app that we installed using APK. Sometimes this is required to open the app after installation. After that, go to home page, go to this apps tab, go down, open this file manager app explore. Then set internal shared storage, go down, go to download. Here you can see the APK files that we downloaded from apkpure.net. See Firefox APK, then that Sideload Launcher APK. I already installed this APK of Sideload Launcher. So let me install APK of this Firefox. Select it. Then we need to allow install unknown app. Go to settings. So here we need to allow this Explore app to install unknown app. Enable this. Here you can see install. Select install. Now it's installing Android APK. Done. Installation completed. So we can open this Firefox from here, or let me go back to home screen, then go to this apps tab, then go to your apps, and here also you can see the icon of Firefox. We can open from here. If you are not able to see icon of a newly installed app here, then you have to use this app, Sideload Launcher app. Let me open, and in this Sideload Launcher app you would be able to see icon of all apps installed in the system. From here also you can open Firefox. So let me open Firefox. See. Okay, done. So this way we can install app APK from unknown sources. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.